Hey, what's up, guys? I felt like these exhaust tips deserve its own dedicated video review. I guess the only reason I haven't really done the video on these tips as far as dedicated video before because they're always dirty. And as you can see, I just finished up with the wash, and of course, they look pretty clean. But these exhaust tips are amazing, guys, and they did come from AliExpress. Again, I always stress on the AliExpress items that a lot of people drop ship these from Alibaba, AliExpress anyway. You just pay triple the price or more. I like to get it directly from the supplier. I will link the supplier I got these from in the description below in the video, as well as the install video on how I got these installed. But just to give you a couple of different angles on these tips, they are absolutely sick. I think they are 100 mil in the diameter, and it is really freezing cold right now. When I was washing the car, the water was freezing, like the soap was freezing on it. But yeah, again, just give you a bunch of different angles of these. They are stainless steel, and I think they look absolutely sick. Wow, this car does not have a bad angle. But yeah, these exhaust tips, very, very, very nice mod. Couldn't recommend these more. I mean, you can see it for yourself. They are about 2 years old. Of course, they could use an actual detail clean, but I just pretty much pressure wash these. They're still smoking a little bit from the drive. And this diffuser is from AliExpress as well. Actually, I can link this one in the description too. Real carbon fiber. As you can tell, the condition of it is amazing. It's been 2 years with the diffuser, and it's been holding up amazingly. Yep, so I mean, just these two mods right there and the spoiler absolutely transform the way this car looks. Here's the top view again. I think it looks freaking awesome. Huge difference when you make these two simple mods. Huge. Alright, guys, I'm gonna start wrapping this video up right here. Again, the install on the tips diffuser will be in the link description, as well as the link to both parts you can find in the description of this video. And as usual, hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It's free for you, helps me tremendously, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.